to see my new super awesome ninja trick?
No.
Oh, come on, Harry. I'll take that as a yes.
Don't even take it as a maybe.
Go for it, Kala! Blabba-dubba!
Take it as the very opposite of yes, with about 10 exclamation marks at the end.
Kitty Ninja!
Gum! Wow! Let me try!
Not sure that's a great idea, Gummy. Kala's been training her whole life, while you've only got about 4.5 seconds experience, and...
Gummy Ninja! Fun!
Well, different at any rate.
It's pitch black! Not that I'm scared of the dark, of course.
Let's do it again! It's gummy time!
But we should probably open the curtains in case anybody else is scared of the dark. Ow! Ow! Go!
Are you okay, Harry?
I'm fine. It's just... Haven't you guys ever seen any scary movies? Dark and stormy nights or when monsters come out.
Cool!
I wouldn't quite put it that way.
Okay, super cool! Gummylicious!
Oh, stop worrying, Harry. There aren't any monsters out there.
I suppose you're right.
Come on, stop fooling around. What?
That!
What? That?
He probably means the monster in the window. Maybe it's a boogie monster who just wants to play.
Well, whatever it is, it looks like it's headed for Kala's dojo.
Let's go! It's gummy time!
There's a face outside my window, looking at me. It's looking kind of scary. What can it be? Was it just a shadow? Say, what did I see? It's feeling kind of spooky, but it ain't scary. Ready or not, here I come. So spooky. Gummy's gonna get you. It's gonna be fun. Ready or not, here I come. So spooky. Gummy's gonna get you. It's gonna be fun.
Hello, Mr. Boogie Monster. Are you under here? Or under here? Or maybe here?
This really isn't a great idea. You'll just make him angry.
Maybe he's a nice monster.
Nice! Well, trust me, I've seen scary movies and I'm a coward, which makes me an expert on these things.
Yoo-hoo! Are you under here?
Well, it looks like he's gone, so let's just head home.
Mr. Boogie Monster! Wanna dance? Wanna sing? Wanna stand on your head while juggling rubber chickens?
Relax, Harry. If there's any trouble, I'll just ninja chop him in half.
Oh, great. Then we'd have two of them to worry about.
Well, I think he might be a nice monster. But either way, we've got to find him. And according to my calculations, he's in his closet.
Then again, maybe not. Ow.
But where can he be? Oh, there!
There he goes! He's heading for the park!
We can't let him get away! Charge!
We'll never catch him!
Oh well, we tried. Let's go home to watch some pizza and eat some TV.
Don't worry, my super awesome phone doesn't know the meaning of defeat.
Defeat. Going home and hiding safely under the covers while steering clear of creepy monsters on dark and stormy nights.
But it doesn't say anything about nice monsters.
Oh, goody.
Great job, Gummy!
But it's so far up!
We could be taller. You two climb on my shoulders.
Oh, you're still not tall enough!
We need some gummy bounce.
Can't quite reach! I got him!
Aw. A balloon?
But a nice balloon. Great adventure, guys.
All I can say is, lucky for him, he was just a balloon, because I would have given him a left and a right,
And hi-ya! And cha!
and a left, right, left switcheroo.
I'm the real Boogie Monster. Boy, you should have seen your faces. That was the gummiest prank I ever... guys?
Let's get him!
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show!
Yep, she's definitely home.
Hello, Sugar Plum. What can I do for you?
Hi, Granny Peters. I'm making muffins. Can I borrow some flour?
Of course, honey. Roses, petunias, daisies, and gardenias.
Not that kind of flour. The kind you bake with.
Oh, of course.
Looks like you're baking too.
Well, I am cooking something up anyway. Hang on, sweetheart. Come on, out of my way. Here we go. Now, hold still while I pour you some.
Bum 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 bum.
There we go.
Great, thanks. You really done me a big favor.
Oh, it's not that big, silly. How strange. You pesky hamsters didn't touch my Gigantoray, did you? Huge cheese! Huge peas! Huge strawberries! With this Gigantoray, I, Granny Peters, am about to become the biggest name in food!
Achoo! That's funny. I don't have a cold. This is going to be a big surprise for Colin and Harry. A huge surprise, in fact. Wait, Wiki! Where'd my muffins go? Flabba-dabba! Empty? I'm no detective, but this is getting ridiculous. Fuji-pooji! Carla! Harry!
Mid-training, talk later.
Harry, have have you been eating my muffins?
Gummy, there are no muffins. That tray is empty.
Exactly, because somebody ate them all. Did you?
Well, no, but it could be that giant hamster behind you.
What giant hamster? Oh, that giant hamster. Woozy Rockies! He's so cute! Can we keep him? Can we?
Where did he come from? And more importantly, why is he so ginormous? I mean, even as big hamsters go, that's one really big hamster. Oh, my tail doesn't like this one bit.
Aw, he likes you, Harry. Let's name him Tiny.
Tiny? That's a pretty big tiny.
A huge chocolate chip! A huge grain of rice!
Weird, but for a while I've been feeling like I'm gonna... Achoo!
Funny, you don't usually sneeze any more than... than I do.
Phew, looks like it's past. Achoo! Look at me! I'm a rocket ship!
I hate to say this, Gummy, but I think our new pal Tiny might be...
What's making us sneeze?
Oh no, we might be allergic to Tiny.
There must be some way we can keep our new pal without sneezing so much.
Gesundheit, what's making me sneeze? Is it hair in the air? A handkerchief, please? Is it dust up my nose? Achoo, tell me, please. I can't stop the sneezing. What can it be? Achoo! Gesundheit, what's the smell that I smell? Is it bees? Is it flowers? I just cannot tell. Achoo! Achoo! Is it something I ate? Whatever it is, it now is too late. Achoo! Achoo! I can't stop sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! I can't stop sneezing. Achoo! Achoo! Gesundheit, something tickles my nose. An inch in my ear, a frog in my throat. Achoo! Oh no, is that a hamster I see? I guess I must have a hamster allergy. Achoo!
Nothing's working. Maybe we should ask Kala for advice.
Kala?
Greetings, my non-spherical buddies.
Hey, cool ball.
I've got lots of them, in all sizes. Who's your friend?
Kala, it's me, Harry. We've met like a gazillion times.
Not you, silly. The big hamster.
Oh, he's our new pal, Tiny.
Tiny? That's a pretty big tiny. Some folks are a little allergic to hamsters, so with him being so big, maybe...
We know. Big hamster, big allergies.
Equals big. Problems.
I tell you, it's a regular sneeze-a-geddon.
If only there was some way to be able to spend time with Tiny without...
Without?
Without that.
Yikes! Suddenly they're not looking all that huge in the hugeness department.
Wait! I just got another brilliant idea.
Another one?
You said you had a bunch more of those balls, didn't you?
Exactly! Each one of us and Tiny could be in our own isolated ball to play together.
Sure, but Tiny never fit in one.
Yippee skippy! Tiny shrunk! Hi, Granny Peters. I wanted to return the cup of flour to you. And then some. Ah, I see you're cooking again.
Well, dearie, if at first you don't succeed, try again.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Absolutely, Harry. You can count on me. Come over for milk and cookies? Sure, I'd love to. Sounds great, Kala. I'll definitely be there. Boy, oh boy, I'm one popular little green bear. What am I gonna do, Harry? I promised too many pals I'd do different things with them all at the very same time.
Too bad you can't just build an exact duplicate robot of yourself, like in this magazine.
I wonder. Robot duplicates of yourself. Free trial. No obligation. What could possibly go wrong?
Delivery from Mr. Gummibär.
I've heard of special delivery, but this is ridiculous. Wow! 4 brand new identical me's! So, Robo Gummy number 1's off to see Kala. Number 2's having milk and cookies with Granny Peters. And number 3 is over helping Harry. Meanwhile,
More of me means more to do. Double the fun for all of you. I can be in more places than one. Thanks to Robo Gummies, it's a perfect plan. Robo Gummy, Robo Gummy, she is funny and looks just like me. Robo Gummy, Robo Gummy, he's a model of technology. Robo Gummy, he is funny and looks just like me. Robo Gummy, he is a model of technology.
hi, Kala.
Oh, hi, Gummy. I don't mean to be rude, but I really need to concentrate here.
I knew I shouldn't have come. Or maybe I should have. I was going to drop in, but then I wasn't sure, so I started to leave. Though I suddenly changed my mind again, wondering should or should not be here to watch you break all those boards with a single chop.
Whatever. Like I said, Gummy, I really need to concentrate.
You bet. I knew I shouldn't have come, but since of course I did come, I can promise you you won't hear another peep from me. Not even half a peep, unless of course you'd rather...
Oh, that's it! Out! 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 No, 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 no!
Thank you for visiting, Gummy. I'm not wearing my glasses, but you look a little different. Feel like a cookie. I just made a fresh batch.
Absolutely! Since I'm not a robot. I'll just clean up those mess while she's gone to distract her from thinking I look different.
Gummy, did you see my papers?
What papers?
My top secret formula to dominate the world. My top secret recipe for chocolate chip cookies. I thought I'd left the only copy of it right here in my, friend's lab.
What lab?
This one.
I don't see any lab.
I am really disappointed in you fibbing to me like that. I think you should leave, Gummy. I'll show you out the door.
Oh, hi, Gummy.
Wow.
Oh, gosh. I should probably answer that. Be really careful while I'm gone, Gummy. I've been working for weeks at reassembling this extremely rare, really Bigosaurus Rex skeleton.
No problemo, Harry.
Oh, hi, Gummy. Yeah, sorry, I can't talk because Gummy's visiting and he's waiting in the other room for me. Bye.
Ankle bone, the ankle bone connected to the something bone. Oops. My bad.
Gummy here visiting, yet at the same time Gummy calling on the phone? No, that's scientifically impossible.
No offense, old sport, but are you always this messy?
know why I didn't think of it earlier.
I am totally bored with this whole silly being a robot thing. Well, what have we here? I think I'll just order a few replacements for myself, so I won't have to go on with it. 5 is a nice round number.
Delivery for Mr. Robo Gummy Bear.
You know, I have to admit that this lying around is actually kind of boring. I wish something would happen. I said something, not everything. Hello? I'm really sorry everything went wrong, but why don't you come into my place and we can sort out the whole mess? Bye! On second thought, maybe ordering all those Robo Gummies wasn't actually a great idea. Still, there isn't much that saying I'm sorry and sharing a big happy macaroni meal can't fix. But I better get busy. There's tons of work to be done before they get here. Except, you've got a helper.
2 helpers.
3. Actually, 4. Oh, sport.
You know, guys, this really isn't such a great idea. Oh, gum drips! They're here! Quick! Everybody clean up and hide! Hi, guy! Hi, guys.
So, Gummy, what's with...
All the robots of yourself?
What robots of himself?
That, guys, is why they invented the expression, it's a long story. So I'll spare you the grisly details and just say that this little green bear made one heck of a big green mistake. And I'm just glad these robots all came with a no-obligations free trial period, because they're about to be shipped back. And from here on in, there will only ever be one gummy bear around to be your pal.
Well, we're glad you're returning them, Gummy. But...
Before you do...
I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Your turn to get it.
I got it last Tuesday. It's Carla's turn.
Wrong, because I got it twice the day before that, so you and Gummy both owe me an extra get it.
Do not.
Do too.
Okay, I'll admit that you got it twice, but you're forgetting that I already traded you that extra get it when you got the bigger piece of cake. That was your extra get it. Got it?
Was not.
Was too.
Double was not.
Double was too. Back me up here, Gummy.
Double was maybe. Look, I'll just get it.
Don't you dare! It's
His turn.
her turn.
Well, whoever's turn it is, it seems kind of silly for us all to...
What?
Hello, neighbors. I had a few extra, so I thought I'd bring you over a plate of my absolute favorite donuts.
Gee, thanks, Granny Peters.
Hope you like them as much as I do. Bye.
Well, that sure was nice of her.
The thought was, anyway. But the donuts look, well, kind of strange.
They do, don't they? I've never actually seen donuts that look like these before. How about you guys?
Well, the whole part in the middle looks pretty familiar, but all the rest of it is, well...
Weird.
You're just saying that because you're a picky eater.
Not as picky as you. Or you either, come to think of it.
Hey, I'll admit I may be slightly picky when it comes to trying new foods, but that still doesn't make me anywhere near as picky as you two.
The weird thing is that half the time in the end, you wind up liking it. Not that you'd ever admit you were wrong.
Sure, I'd admit it. It's just that I'm never wrong.
Me neither. Never.
Or at least hardly ever.
So, good thing none of us are picky eaters. And if ever we were, we'd admit that we were wrong if it wound up being good.
Exactly.
Double exactly. Still, we probably shouldn't be rude and not even, taste them.
True.
After you.
Actually, I had a big breakfast just last Saturday. You first.
Normally I'd say grand, but I just ate a grape a few hours ago.
Me too. A really big one, so I'm feeling pretty full.
After you.
It was okay, I guess.
Not bad.
Could have been worse.
I suppose we should.
Finish it off.
I mean, just to be polite, right?
One donut left.
This is getting us nowhere. Let's just store that last donut for the night in the fridge. It'll be safe there.
Good night, little circle of joy.
Sleep tight.
Sweet dreams.
I was just getting some shoe polish.
I just wanted to make sure the donut was comfortable. It's pretty chilly inside that fridge.
I was, sleepwalking.
Okay, as great as the honor system may be, there's also something to be said for the very latest in high-tech security.
I want it, I need it, I'm hungry, want to eat it. Can't find it, my precious, been looking everywhere. Who took it, I hid it, who ate it, someone did it. I dreamed of it all night, it just doesn't fit. Where did it go, where can it be? Some has taken it away from me. Say, is there a mouse here in the house? It is a mystery, who can it be? I want it, I need it, I'm hungry, want to eat it. Can't find it, my precious, been looking everywhere. Who took it, I hid it, who ate it, someone did it. I dreamed of it all night, it just doesn't fit.
It's Kala!
It's Harry!
Ah! It's Gummy!
Aha!
Ah.
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 It's gone! I knew I never should have trusted you!
You ate it!
No, you did!
You both did!
How dare you accuse me of eating it when I know with absolute certainty that you probably, maybe, might have eaten it? You, Eggs Benedict Arnold!
And how dare you accuse me?
Sure. I'm not supposed to accuse you, but it's perfectly fine and dandy for you to accuse me. And while we're at it, he called me a scrambled eggs or something.
Did not!
Did too!
Did three!
Yoo-hoo! I rang the door, but nobody answered.
Either way, I know I didn't eat it. So why don't the two of you at least come clean and admit that you both did? You donut rustlers!
Did not!
Did 2 and 3!
Actually, I ate it. I noticed you left it, so I thought you didn't like them.
You
Ate?
the last donut?
Farewell, little round friend.
So long, sweet one.
We'll never, ever, ever forget you.
I had no idea you loved them so much. Stay here. I'll be right back. Hope you like them. Bye.
So long, Granny Peters. And thanks.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Boy, I'm so excited! A chance to actually talk to my all-time scientific idol, Professor Sigmund Katzen-Dusseldorfenberg, who's taking calls on that radio talk show. Oh, I just hope I don't wind up getting the... Oh, darn, whenever I get nervous, I sometimes wind up getting all those!
Hi, Harry. What's up?
I seem to have gotten a case of...
Oh, those. Well, you know what they say about curing the ups.
No. What? What the heck did you do that for?
Well, that's what they say about curing the hiccups. There's nothing like a good shock. And hey, it seems to have actually worked.
You were... saying...
Plan B time.
Well, you know what they say about curing the ups.
No. What?
We've already tried that.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
You may have already tried it, but this time, thanks to moi...
It seems to have actually worked!
Yay!
You were saying?
I've got the hiccups in the morning. I've got the hiccups till at night. Here comes another, and yet another. Tell me how to stop this blight. Why do I hiccup in the morning? Why do I hiccup till at night? Don't know what caused it. Wish I could stop it. Hiccups giving me a fright. I tried to hold my breath forever. I tried to wash the hiccups down. I even tried to scare myself to stop that hiccup sound.
Plan C time.
Something tells me we're going to be going through a good chunk of the alphabet before we're through.
Okay, Plan F. Hold your breath.
Okay, Plan J. Distract the hiccuper from hiccuping by having them perform a complex activity.
I feel ridiculous.
All that matters is results, Gummy. Kala, why are you and I standing on our heads too?
Standing on your head can stop hiccuping.
But we're not hiccuping.
Exactly my point.
I think there's a minor flaw in your logic since Gummy's the one who's been hiccuping.
And in case you hadn't noticed, he's suddenly not hiccuping either. I tell you, Granny Peters, Harry and I are at our wits' end. Every attempt, no matter how brilliant, has failed.
Have you tried hypnotism?
hypnotism's just a parlor trick.
It doesn't work.
You do not have hiccups. You do not have hiccups.
I do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups.
Like I was saying, Granny Peters, hypnotism just doesn't work.
Well, I think it does. At least sometimes.
Okay, we're at Plan W and still no solution in sight. We've tried shocks, we've tried holding our breath, we tried weird actions, distractions, and even hypnotism. What do you think, Granny Peters?
Will I?
Then again, it just dawned on me. We haven't tried.
That was Plan X. We're running out of alphabet.
Those hicks are driving me crazy. We've got to find a solution. What do you think, Granny Peters?
Will I?
Wait, I've got another great idea.
Oh, another one?
We still haven't tried. Okay, the perfect way to cure you-know-whats is with a good old-fashioned tongue twister. Now, Gummy, say this after me. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Unless they've invented a new alphabet, we've only got 2 more chances left.
We can do it! Those hicks will not emerge victorious. You still haven't told us what you think, Granny Peters.
I actually can't think of anything. Other than, of course, you know what they say about curing the ups.
We already tried that.
Well, sorry.
Yeah, we already tried it, but it didn't work.
Are you sure?
Well, sure I'm sure. Because every time we tried before, the one with the hiccups still wound up having the hiccups.
It worked!
On second thought, maybe that yay was the tiniest bit premature. Still, I guess there's some small comfort in knowing that things can't get much worse.
Why is the phrase total disaster suddenly springing to mind?
Actually, Harry, you might be wrong.
You know a phrase that means something worse than total disaster?
No, I mean, maybe we're just looking at this whole hiccups thing wrong. Maybe it might not be so bad. Just listen.